If you have a smartphone and want to spend a few minutes a day typing online, I found a really cool website you should start using right now. That's third grader can answer. You can ask some questions. See here, you answer question and get paid instantly. They pay their questions in different categories and in different amounts. They have people on their website who probably have projects and they don't want waste time answering third questions, and so they're willing to pay someone like you. So these questions are simple. Before continuing with the video, be sure to subscribe us and press the bell button to stay informed about our tutorials. The website is called schoolsolver.com. It's a website that connects experts, educators with people who have questions and need answers. They cover a wide variety of topics and they don't care if you have a high school diploma or if you have knowledge, you have a foundation in different subjects. Here they are called experts. You have to answer almost every question. Here you can see how easy these questions are. And that's pretty cool thing to do. So if you don't want to do a lot of work, signing up is completely free. All you have to do is come here to sign up for a new account on their website. They only ask you for a username and email and password, and here in the user type you want to choose the teacher that indicates you want to answer questions to earn money as soon as you click finish registration. They will send you an email to verify your account and you will immediately have access to your dashboard. You can see right here that says my account is ready, and you can easily go here and click this button to log in right way, and you can see all the different questions that are currently posted here on the website. For this, it shows that of course these questions are very new. Some of them are only updated for a few days and usually they are updated every day. I like to answer urgent questions because I usually pay more and there are usually a lot of simple questions. You can see here some questions here pay $100 each. Very well, you can almost answer them and cash out instantly from this website. And so to enter one of these questions, just click on them, then the details page of the person who actually posted the question. You open, of course, you can see the people who answered these questions. That's why I said you have to move fast on this website, otherwise someone will post an answer, he will get his earnings. If the answers are not very satisfactory, only part of you will receive the amount. You can add your answer by clicking add answer. You can only spend a few minutes typing on your smartphone and you don't even have to do it manually, and you can earn good money just by answering question online.